good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever time you're watching it at, even if it's at 3 a.m. Well, currently, it's 2:30 a.m. almost for me. As you can see, you can kind of tell I'm addicted to Minecraft. But last video, I had my first subscriber and my first person like any of my videos really quick. She had her 5-year-old son like my video, and she liked my vids now. And she asked me a favor. She asked if you guys just want to go check out my video. I don't have a link. I don't know how to put that in there, but you guys can just check it. My last video is called how to make a TNT cannon makes you glide. Wow, or something like that. You can go check that video out. Like and subscribe in case you're new. Please. I'm not gonna be famous. I guess I can obvious by my very bad intro, but I mean, we all start from the bottom. So let's just stop talking about my personal life and get to the video. So she asked me, Jessica, I believe her name was. She said, "Can you make a refrigerator for my son?" And I said, "Yeah, sure." So I responded in the comments, just in case you have a question or a suggestion, just tell me in the comments and I'll respond back as soon as I look at it. So for this video, I've actually didn't know, I hadn't thought of in a while, I hadn't made one of these in a while, I guess, better said. So first of all, you're going to need some chiseled quartz blocks, right there. I'm going to get some pillar blocks. Well, it doesn't really matter what blocks you get, it's just, whenever I make a refrigerator, I mean, in real life, you just think of them as being white, so, in my mind, I'm like, well, why not get a white one? Now, let's get a dispenser, a lever, we're gonna need some redstone, and who has a refrigerator without food, honestly? So, let's get that. No, we can get that later. So basically, let's just put this here. Okay, so we're gonna put 1 block, 2 blocks, and then you just kind of build up. And then you just crouch. Well, do you have to crouch? No. But the point is the dispenser. They usually look like this. Now, it's supposed to look like this. If you're doing it right, it should look like this. Now, this should be how it should look on every single mode of Minecraft. PC, Pocket Edition in my case, Windows 10, computers. Basically, I just said that. No, just the casual. It's supposed to look like this. You can change it with a texture pack, but I do not recommend it because last time I tried to take my texture pack, I kept on getting mixed up with all my stuff. Now, I'm just gonna stop being annoying. So, we're not gonna, if you want a refrigerator, I'm gonna try to make it cool. So, I'm gonna put a block here just so I can stand on it really quick. Crouch. Because if you don't crouch and you try to build on the side, that's what happens. You have to crouch. Just in case you don't know how to. With your arrows on Pocket Edition, double tap on the middle one. And it should, like right now I'm crouching. Double tap really fast. Yeah. Just the same like whenever you fly, double tap in the middle on this too. On the middle of the arrows. And now that we have that there, I'm going to put that there, this here. I'm going to make a little staircase, a little entrance really quick. Now we're going to take away this, put a lever there. Now, let's go to the top, meet our beloved dispenser we're going to have to use. But you have to crouch again put a little bit of redstone on it. Make a staircase 1 block down. See? 1 block down, just like that. Now, I don't need to crouch anymore since I'm not on the dispenser. I'm gonna put that there. Actually, I made that wrong. So I'm gonna put that there. Another one here. Another one there. Just as easy as that. Now let's put some food in there. Honestly, I'm gonna have to go to steak. Who doesn't like steak in Minecraft? It's the best thing ever. Well, I'm gonna go with enchanted or golden apples. But now it's really easy. You just can cover that up with a few blocks. Don't build on top of the redstone, cause that blocks its like power up, I guess. So here's the thing: it does not work if this happens. You power it up. If not all the redstone is red, even including on the top or on the sides or anything, as you can see right now, everything on the sides is on perfectly. That means it's working. Now inside. Let's go inside. Just gonna eat that. Throw that on the ground. I don't want to die. Kinda don't want to die. I mean, creative, so I can't die, you big noob. Goes way really fast. Okay, so we go inside. You click that, and a piece of steak falls down. Well, this is really easy. Like if you liked the video, if it was helpful. You can also make like a little chimney, I guess, right here. Make a little chimney, your own design. Maybe for the next video, I can make a chimney. That would be actually pretty nice. Actually, just to wrap this video up really quick, I'm gonna show off. I just thought of this method to make a hot tub. So let me just really quick put pause, get all my stuff in my inventory to get it ready, and then I'll pause it and show you guys how to make it really quick. So double video and one, I guess, really quick. Okay, I got all the stuff. Now for a hot tub, you'll be needing a smooth quartz stairs, some smooth quartz slabs, a bucket of water, some soul sand right here, and some spruce trapdoors. Now for this, we're gonna make a little square. I'm gonna make a day really quick. Okay, so you make a little square, but you want it to be 2 blocks deep. Put soul sand right here. And you should have 1 block left. Okay, now for this, I want to put stairs facing you, like this. And then you just put in the corners, no necessary orders. Oh, yeah, you might want to be in the middle when you put them in. And that should make it be like this. Now with this new update, you're supposed to, put water like that. And it's actually supposed to like make it look cooler, but like you don't have to like only have it in the middle. Okay, now somebody lie to me and say that that does not look like a hot tub. I'll make sure I filled it with water. Oh, I forgot for a spruce trapdoor. Put a bunch of them on the floor and then stack them up. And go ba 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 ba. Do that again. Ba 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 ba. And that's it. So the soul sand is actually, I guess, like the heater, I guess I could say. And it actually makes you jump up. Like right now, if I had my face cam, I could show you my hands. Actually, I wish I could put it on right now. I'll do it for the next video. How about that? If I at least get 10 likes on this video since I'm new, I'll do it. But yeah, that wraps it up for this video. I hope you like it. Subscribe if you're new. Leave a like. So we got our refrigerator. How to make a refrigerator. I can't say that right, I believe. And how to make a hot tub. So I hope I just made your little Minecraft day, I guess, a little better. And that'll wrap it up for this video. Yo.